Hi everyone, in today's video, we will show you how to use Quiet Lab Mouthpiece. First, visit the official Quiet Lab website to make sure you are buying the original product. From here, you can place your order directly. Quiet Lab is designed to help reduce snoring by keeping your airway open while you sleep. It works by gently guiding your lower jaw forward, which helps improve airflow without causing discomfort. On the website, you will see different purchase options. If you buy a single mouthpiece, it comes at a standard price. If you choose a bundle, you usually get better value such as a discount, free shipping, and extra accessories like a travel case, a cleaning brush, and a digital guide. These extras makes it easier to maintain and carry the mouthpiece. Now let's talk about how to use it. First, take the mouthpiece and adjust the upper and lower trays. The design allows both parts to move, so you can customize it according to your jaw position. Next, gently place the mouthpiece in your mouth and adjust it until it feels comfortable with your natural bite. The goal is to find a position where your jaw feels supported but not forced. Once adjusted, wear it while sleeping. The mouthpiece helps keep your airway open, which can significantly reduce snoring and improve sleep quality. The Quiet Lab mouthpiece is made from soft, medical-grade materials, so it feels comfortable even after long use. It is lightweight, slim, and allows you to open your mouth naturally if needed. There is no heating or molding process required, which means it is ready to use straight out of the box. Overall, it is simple to set up, easy to adjust, and designed for everyday use. With proper adjustment, it can help you sleep more comfortably and wake up feeling more fresh. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.